Hello, PureJoy staff. My name is Mike, the warehouse manager here at PureJoy Catering. I'm going to be taking you through our van today. We've got 4 different vans. They go to the parties all the time. Just going to kind of take you through and give you an idea of everything that's inside of here, where it all belongs in case you're ever finding yourself packing the van back up, and if you're ever wondering about any more stuff that we have to use. So we'll start with the back pocket over here. We've got a first aid kit, band-aids, Neosporin, that good stuff, some off for any bugs that are on site, and also some sunscreen if you ever find yourself without some, you want some protection. In the back, we've always got this little crate right here. It includes risers for the bar that we put on every bar to rise it up to make it look better. We've got sterno, usually for the chefs to start a barbecue or put under a shaper. Linen clips for whenever it's windy out there, attach them to the tables to keep the linens on. We've got trash bags, a couple cones for parking, some utensils to use in the kitchen as backup before we're missing anything, and then dishwashing supplies, sponges, soaps, all that good stuff. Here are the 4 boxes that will always be stacked up in the van. On the bottom we have an electrical box complete with extension cords, power strips, and lights for when it gets dark around our kitchen scullery area. The box that goes on top of that is the kitchen box. There's lighters, salt and pepper, saran wrap, tin foil, anything that the kitchen will want to use for themselves. This is our utensil box, so we've got little butter knives, spoons, cake knives and servers, extra big spoons, or little tongs to use on any kind of buffet or station. And then on top we've got water pitchers. This will be used for pouring water into chafers or into the guests' glassware. And then these are always going to be bungeed back together so they don't fall all over the place. So if you ever do find yourself packing up the van at the end of the night, that's the order. We got electric, kitchen, utensil, and water pitcher on the top. Behind that is our scullery bucket, or dump bucket. This is going to be put out at every scullery. Put this here, you dump the drinks in, catches ice, straws, any kind of citrus. And attached to every scullery bucket we have a little spatula. These are for the plates, so you'll scrape all the food off of the plates whenever you're putting a plate back into its proper container. So that'll be found next to all of our boxes. On this side in the back we've got a broom. It's a very nice sized broom for all the big messes that we make. We have cutting boards for the kitchen staff and passing trays for the wait staff to either bus or pass drinks at the beginning of any event. Here we've got skiddies. This is just to keep stuff in place, whether it be on a buffet or whether we're packing it back here. It just helps from creating messes of things sliding. A little bit further in we've got the dolly. This is for just shuttling all of our equipment all over the place. There is also a fire extinguisher in every van that you will place out on the barbecue, if there is one, just to have it on hand for safety. This is our bar tub, ice bucket and champagne bucket with some scoops for the ice. These will go out to every bar, and again it'll be right here every time. Propane for our 3-burner. This is just a little stand up. It's got 4 legs and we use it to heat up anything, quesadillas or heat up water, whatever. So it's got one top, it's got the stove, and then it has a little plate so you can put things on top. And the legs, of course, to stand up. These are some hat box risers in case an emergency where we don't have risers. They're mostly for decor. They don't get used that often, but they're there just in case. As we go to the side over here, you'll See, all the vans have side doors for another access point for loading or taking whatever you want out. There's a staff parking sign in every van. So if there's ever a question about where we should park, we'll have somewhere to direct everybody. Little dustbin to go along with the broom up top, which is a good thing to have. Clean up glass that shatters anywhere, or any kind of mess. And then at the front of the van, we have our toolbox. Got all kinds of nice gadgets and gizmos in here, if you will. Scissors, twine, extra business cards, tape, pens, sticky notes, and then ribbon. This is usually for the kitchen. They'll use to make the passing trays look nice. Little hat pins, cards, some, what is this? Burn relief. We have acetaminophen for any kind of minor headache, anything. And just stuff that you would find useful at any. So that's our toolbox. There is also another first aid kit at the front of the van, a little more intricate than the other one, for all of our needs in that area. That about does it for the van tour. Again, just a reference guide if you're packing it up or want to do anything with the van. So thanks, guys. See ya.